did you take it in Jack's room?
It's in the bedroom.
Oh, it's in my room. You don't get a room.
I don't get a room.
We're waiting for him to snob the bad guys. Stop correcting him.
He needs to know how to say it.
I like him saying snop. We have to snop the bad guys. Are you gonna get the bad guys?
Yeah. Okay. I have my stage.
Got the stage.
Okay, be careful. Okay, be careful, Superman. Get him. Oh no, Superman, are you okay?
No.
Oh no. Do you need hugs from Mama to make you feel better? Oh.
No.
What do you need?
I'm the bad guy.
You're the bad guy? I thought you were Superman.
I can Superman that can reach up high.
Oh, okay. Can you get him?
No, this up way up there.
Oh, that is really high. What are we gonna do?
First, we need the juice box and stick it right there. It's written there.
With the juice box?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how.
First, we need juice box in the root of the sticky one. Let's see, let's take that up here. Sticky.
You want a sticky juice box?
Yeah.
You're crazy. That's a really good idea, though. We don't have a sticky juice box, though.
First, we need to put that up, and the other we need and put also.
Yeah? Thanks for getting the bad guys.
Not yet.
Not yet.